back to my channel. I'm Maryam Kapama. If you're new, hi, hello, welcome. And if you are a returning supporter, regular watcher, day one subscriber, everyday supporter, I so much appreciate. Thank you and welcome back. In my channel, we talk about lifestyle, natural hair, beauty, and a little bit of everything that I can do. In today's video, I'm back with another natural hair video. As you can see, my hair is popping, no more dry hair. I have prepared you an intense moisturizer for extremely hair growth. So you like what you see, be sure to bang that subscribe button and be sure to like and comment down below. And also I leave a lot of information in the description box, so be sure to check it. That being said, if your goal is to grow your hair thicker, longer, and voluminous like so, please keep on watching. Superstar, welcome to this video where I show you how to prepare this powerful deep conditioner for extreme hair growth and maximum moisturization. Here we will need an avocado, coconut milk, coconut oil, and cactus. The natural oils and vitamin in avocado makes it a great natural ingredient due to its moisturizing qualities and nourishing qualities of the oil and vitamin. Oftentimes we hear that avocado have good fats for eating, but also they have a good fat for the hair. Whether you are applying it as a hair mask or using the hair oils, one of the ingredients you should keep an eye out for is avocado. It's really good for the hair, especially if you're having dry hair. Avocado are great for reversing dry hair to moisture. Superstar, coconut has high in lauric acid. The lauric acid is the main ingredient in the coconut. The coconut also is high in protein, high in vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, and vitamin B6. It's really good at slowing hair loss and great at restoring dry hair and scalp. It also really good at getting rid of dandruff. So superstar, if dandruff is an issue or a concern, you need to consider adjusting coconut to your hair routine or hair remedies. However, the next thing we're going to need is cactus. Cactus is great for your hair. I've done a lot of detailed videos on about this topic of cactus, but I'm also going to repeat it if you're just first time in this channel, so you don't miss out anything. Superstar, cactus have great and many potentials when it comes to the hair due to high content in nutrients. These benefits promote soft, strong, healthy hair and scalp. They fasten hair growth and less hair loss. It can even reverse heat damage as well as protect your hair from the sun. Cactus are sources of vitamins as well. Vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin C. They also contain iron, calcium, potassium, and omega-3. Cactus has high in fatty acid, which are great for hair growth and hair development. Superstar, due to high in nourishing qualities of the vitamins and the natural oil in avocado. Avocado is a natural moisturizer. Avocado can prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. Avocado helps to strengthen the hair. Avocado acts as a natural sunscreen for the hair to protect the hair in the sun. However, if we look at the second ingredients, the coconut oil itself has been widely known as a natural fat source that can also help keep your hair and skin and nails in a very good shape. The oils is just one of the ingredients in the coconut milk. When it comes to the health of your hair, coconut milk has various of nutrition benefits that are really good for the hair. Especially if you're having dry hair, you need to consider coconut milk seriously. Superstar, a while ago you just saw me adding the liquid in the blender before blending. That is cactus water. Click the card to see how I prepare the cactus water for the benefits that come along with the cactus for hair growth. However, you need to add the mixture and blend them up just like as shown you. The measurement will be down in the description box. Now I'm adding in the coconut milk. It's nearly a half cup or 1 pack of the coconut milk. And also, I lost the footage when I was adding the coconut oil, but also be sure to add the coconut oil to your hair regimen. This is the hair we'll be working on. Be sure to section your hair into fine section that you can manage. After a while detangling your hair with this product on, if it's really difficult for you to use your finger, you can use a wide tooth comb or an afro comb. Just make sure you use something that's not going to strip your hair out, because our goal here is to grow our hair and not to break them. So repeat the same process, unravel the section, put the deep conditioner, make sure it's saturated, detangle with your finger or with a wide tooth comb or an afro comb, then twist it into 2 twist strands, then put it away and deal with the other section on repeat, just as I demonstrate on the video. Now I'm going to put these 2 shower caps in order to secure the moisture from dripping off.
Really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. To the side.
Thank you, superstar, for watching this video to the very end. I'm so appreciative. Be sure to like, comment down below if you have gotten any value, and I believe you did. So I have prepared a video because you don't only want to leave your hair moisturized, you also want to grow your hair longer. So I have prepared a video where I show you how to grow your own natural hair, and I shared you my 5 ways of massive hair growth. So be sure to check this video, and if you haven't subscribed until this point, please, honey, superstar, go ahead and subscribe and share this video if you can. If there's somebody out there need to see this video, share with them. So until next time, I'm going to see you guys in this video. So until next time, bye bye.